Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to replace the engine air filter in a 2016 Toyota Camry Hybrid. First thing we did is we went online and just bought a new replacement filter on Amazon, and then we'll go from there. What we need to do, just open the hood, and then we need to find the air filter housing, which is just this piece right here. You can see there's these two clips right here. So we're just going to pop those off. They should just pop right off. The housing should just slide out. And you can see underneath there is the filter, so we'll just pull that guy out. So we're just gonna wiggle this guy out. It's kind of tricky with one hand here. Try with this hand here. You can see all the debris and crap coming out of it. So you can see, comparatively speaking, our new one is definitely a lot cleaner than this one. So we'll go ahead and replace it now. We'll take the plastic off this. But something else you want to do before you do that is go ahead and clean out any debris or junk that's in the housing there. That'll help get nice and clean. So I went and grabbed our shop vac here. I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of clean out the inside and then wipe it down a little bit, and should be good to go. So I went ahead, and as you can see, I cleaned it out in here, so it definitely looks a lot better than it did. So now I think we're ready to put the new filter on. Now we're ready to put the new filter on. So we've got it, obviously, with our other filter, we had it so this rubber rim here was on the top. So we'll go ahead and just lift the housing back up and set it in there. All right, so as you can see, it just sits in there nice and flush. So it should be perfect as is, like that. Now what we're gonna wanna do is, you'll see there's these two little lips down here. We're just gonna feed them into those hooks. One right here that goes in there. You can see it slide in. And then there's one on the back side as well. So you just wanna make sure that those are both in where they're supposed to be. We're gonna pop these hooks back up. And you'll hear it snap back in place. And then we'll go ahead and do this one as well. So pop back in. So now we should be good to go. We should have a new engine air filter ready to roll. Hopefully this was helpful. Please let us know in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe to Big Out Repairs.